just like I explained you guys on the previous video how to open a wallet and how easy it is to open a wallet on Incentiv, now I'm going to explain you guys how easy it is to send a transaction and how smoothly on the UI UX is to send a transaction. Okay, let's go. Here we are on the Incentiv portal. As you guys can see, smooth. Okay, let's. I claimed the other tokens as well. For each 4 hours, you can claim the tokens of testnet tokens, so you can try as much features as possible. Let's go to the send. Okay, now we're gonna go and get an address on the Discord server where we have the community sharing their wallet addresses. I'm copying this address. Okay, done. Let's go to the send feature. We're going to pass the address there. We're going to choose the amount of cents that we want to send to this address. The protocol is going to calculate on how much fees is going to take to get the transaction done. Okay, let's continue with Touch ID. So every time that you want to make a transaction, you're going to do with Touch ID to confirm that you are signing the transaction. Okay, transaction is signed. Let's go now. Let's move to the, okay. Now the Explorer is calculating the transaction and sending the transaction over. So it is this type of easy job to complete this whole feature of completing a transaction or sending a transaction. Here, as you guys can see also, I received the badge of send tokens completed, and that's it. On the upcoming one, we're going to talk about how you can do the swaps on Incentiv and also how you can do about the transaction. So keep it up, stay up to date. We cooking.